that's
Hello there,
manatee.
friends. Ito ay third day namin sa aming honeymoon na
Oh, there's a
naging.
guy in there.
So, nandito kami. Nandito kami sa Gatlinburg Aquarium. Yeah, kung nakikita
My
niyo
brother
dyan,
in Florida, him and his wife
meron
at
pong
the beach,
diaper.
is walking, he
Yan,
stepped on a
ginagawa po
stingray.
niya dyan ay
They
naglilinis
can
siya.
come up and sting you. You can die from
At
this.
ito ay mga baby at saka malalaking stingray
Yeah.
nasa aquarium. Ayan, nakikita niyo po. Naglilinis po siya dyan sa aquarium. And meron din pong baby shark. Maliit pa na shark. Ayan. Kung sa Tagalog pa. Hindi ko alam sa Tagalog. Pagi? Pagi ba tawag? Ang gaganda nila.
Oh, it's coming, it's coming. Oh, yeah.
Malapit sila sa may mirror. I mean glass. Ayan. Ayan. Anong klaseng
The
shark ba
size
yan?
of this one.
Huge. Anong klaseng shark?
Is it gonna come over here?
So, malalim po siya yung aquarium. Hindi ko po alam kung it's either 10 to 15 feet.
I look down and see it. It's cruising.
So, nakikita mo.
You know what's interesting? We steal everything
He's
from
cleaning,
them.
he's
We're trying to
cleaning.
make things.
He's
Actually,
cleaning.
napakadami nilang aquarium.
He is cleaning.
See it coming at
Isang
you?
buong
Yeah.
araw ata kami dito sa loob. Kasi malaki po yung
What's that when we try to learn? We mimic
It's a woman. It's a woman.
So, ini-enjoy muna namin dito sa park nito ng may stingray. Yung diver
So this is
actually
very deep,
ay
love.
babae na naglilinis dyan sa aquarium. Napakaganda, no? Ayan. So, nakakatuwa lang kasi maganda. Maganda yung kulay niya. May dotted white. Black na lang.
Yes, I wanted it.
Tsaka kita niyo po yung
I wanted a tail.
shark na maliliit. Yan, magkasama po sila dyan.
You can't even name all the species on each of them.
Pwede pala yun sila magsama. Siguro maliit.
It's a different one, oh.
Tapos yung malaking paagi. Meron din po maliit na paagi. Or stingray. Ang cute mo. Tsaka parang may
It's probably
sa
20 feet
tubig.
long.
Crystals.
Oh, there's a hammerhead shark.
Uh-huh.
Saya namin dyan. And tsaka madaming tao na pumasok sa aquarium. Ito po ay sa Gatlinburg.
You know what? It's more nice if they
Ayan,
put
ang
a
ganda po
little...
isa. Meron po
ano,
siyang stripe.
How fit is the
Then meron ding
water.
white.
Yeah.
So this
Ayan
glass
po siya.
shark, it's
Ayan,
like
malapit po yan siya